Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to CTVMAN. Here in this video, we are going to give you an instruction about how this doorbell can be connected quite easy and quite a simple way in your smartphone. Now, the first step, let us install the battery into the doorbell. We open the doorbell. Here is the battery.
Wait to be configured.
Now you hear a voice message, but if you cannot hear, here is a reset button. You can press it to make a factory default.
恢复出厂设置中，请勿断电。Restore factory settings. Please don't power off.
Okay, now you have a press.
开始快速配置。Wait to be configured.
Okay, we can start to configure. The apps in the smartphone we need IC. We open it. The first time we use it, need to sign up from here, and with username and password, we log in from account login. Here is the page for add the device. Next step. Okay, need to input the Wi-Fi account and the password in the correct way. Confirm it.
正在连接，请稍后。Connecting. Please wait.
In a quite
连
fast
接
and
路
easy
由器
way.
成功。Connect to router successfully.
Okay, already connect successfully. Just wait some second. And we create our own password. Let's make it quite simple here. And we can name the doorbell. Suppose make it name as home. Now we see it's already connected. We can open it. Double connect. Okay. Connect it. Hello? Hello? Okay. Quite good. And when the round indicates flash, it means that here is somebody close. The motion detection detected the person. And when it stop, okay, the visitor front of the door can press the button. Okay, you receive an alarm from your smartphone. You can open it, and you can see the video. Okay, already see the visitors. Thank you very much for watching.